Hindi lahat ng kaya mong bilhin, kailangan mong bilhin. That's one of the biggest lessons I learned as I get older. Before, akala ko success looks like always upgrading, always spending, always keeping up. But real peace, it comes from living within your means. Yung hindi ka kinakabahan every time may due date, yung nakakabili ka without guilt because alam mong planned siya. Yung hindi mo kailangan magmukhang mayaman just to feel valuable. Living within your means doesn't mean maliit ang pangarap mo. It simply means marunong kang mag-prioritize ng future mo over temporary validation. And honestly, ang klase talagang tignan ng mga taong financially disciplined. Quiet lang pero stable. Simple lang pero may peace of mind. Now, I rather live a balanced life than a life that only looks good online. Because true wealth isn't always loud. Sometimes it looks like peace, savings, healthy habits, and being able to sleep at night without financial stress.